In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay text on an image in Webflow using 3 simple techniques. Webflow is a powerful tool that allows you to create stunning custom websites with ease. Whether you're a designer or just someone looking to enhance your site, adding text overlays to images is a great way to make your content more engaging. Let's dive in and see how it's done. First, you need to open Webflow. Head over to webflow.com and log in if you haven't already. On the main page, you'll find the Login option at the top right corner. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is where all your existing projects are housed, allowing you to manage and edit any of your works seamlessly. From the dashboard, choose the project where you want to overlay text on an image. Webflow projects are quite intuitive, but it's always comforting to navigate step by step. Click on the project, and this will bring you to the project workspace. This is your creative playground where all the magic happens. Next, you need to add an image to your project. On the left side, there's an Add Elements panel. This is a crucial step, as Webflow's interface is built on a system of elements that you can drag and drop into your project. Click on Add Elements and select Image from the menu. Drag the image element onto your workspace where you want it to appear. You can either upload your own image or select from the ones you've already uploaded. Once your image is in place, it's time to add a container for your text. Again, within the Add Elements panel, you'll find an option for div block. Div blocks are versatile containers that can hold various elements, including text. Grab a div block and drag it over your image. This will act as the holder for your text. With your div block in position, it's time to type in your text. Click within the div block and enter the text you wish to display over your image. Make sure the text is clear and stands out against the image background. You can adjust the text's font, size, color, and alignment using the right side settings panel to ensure it's visible and visually appealing. And there you have it. You've now successfully overlaid text on an image using Webflow. Remember, you can experiment with different styles, fonts, and color contrasts to match your site's theme or design preferences. Each method offers a unique way to enhance your visuals, and by practicing these techniques, you'll be able to create professional and captivating images in no time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using Webflow to its full potential. Happy designing!